Honda Sundiro announced the price of the new NS150LA last night, June 13th. The new Honda NS150LA maintains the retro styling of its best-selling scooter, the NS125LA, but its overall retro feel is stronger. Smaller bezel headlights have been added, and the left and right position light clusters have been replaced with an L-shaped symmetrical design featuring a C-shaped symmetrical LED light strip. In terms of configuration, the NS150LA adopts the SHEP single-cylinder, water-cooled, 4-valve engine from the same platform as the NS150GX. This engine delivers a maximum power output of 11.4 kW/8, 500 RPM, a maximum torque of 14.4 Nm/6, 500 RPM, a maximum power output of 15.5 horsepower, a top speed of 107 km per hour, and a real displacement of 149.7 cubic centimeters, a significant improvement over the NS125LA. It features a 740mm seat height, a 1,360mm wheelbase, and a flat pedal space with a minimum width of 270mm. With an 8.2-liter fuel tank and a range of up to 370 kilometers, it reduces commuting anxiety. It also comes with pulse ignition and idle start-stop. This model also features silent start, automatic start-stop, and PGM-FI intelligent electronic fuel injection. The entire range features dual-channel ABS plus TCS, semi-slick tires, and 13-inch wheels with circular holes front and rear. The front storage area features a covered storage compartment with built-in 20W dual-port fast charging, A+C. In terms of functions, it supports mobile phone screen projection, 4G unlocking, mobile phone Bluetooth proximity unlocking, mobile phone vehicle search, one-click answering, location information, mileage display, driving data statistics, historical trajectory recording, Bluetooth connection, tire pressure monitoring and playback, and other functions.